In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your stream clips and format them for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram in the quickest and easiest way possible. It's actually mind-blowing how easy it is to make clips for all the different platforms using the method I'm about to talk about. So let's dive in and take a look. So at this point, pretty much everybody has heard the advice that you need to create content on other, more discoverable platforms in order to grow on Twitch. And it is true. I actually tell people this all the time because Twitch, although is getting better, is still not a very discoverable platform. So you've got to have a TikTok, you got to have YouTube Shorts going out, you've got to have Instagram, all this stuff to get your content out there and have people discover what you're doing. The problem with this is it takes a lot of time. And as we know, anytime you get done with a stream, you can get a clip from Twitch, but then you've got to reformat it for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. And then you've got to reformat it again for Instagram because the aspect ratios are different. And it becomes pretty annoying after a while, right? You take one clip and you're trying to reformat it and edit it and do all this kind of stuff. And if you're using something like Adobe Premiere or any other traditional video editor, there's a lot of stuff involved. You got to make a lot of cuts and you got to drag a lot of stuff around. You got to duplicate your clips. But there's an easier way to do this, and you can make your base clips reformatted for TikTok and YouTube and Instagram in a much quicker and simple way. In fact, it's so quick and easy that I wished I'd been using this the entire time that I'd been streaming, because I would have been putting out a lot more YouTube Shorts and TikToks and Instagram videos and things like that. So how did I find out about this new quick and easy way to do this? Well, the company Streamlabs, which most streamers have heard of and probably used at some point or another or use right now, reached out to me to work with me on a video about a new feature or product that they're offering called CrossClip. Now, CrossClip literally is designed to allow you to make clips of your content and reformat them in all the different aspect ratios in a super easy and simple way. And I know there are other websites out there that do this, and I've used some of those, but they're a little clunky. They don't have all the features that I would need. And honestly, they just, I don't know, the UI didn't work for me as well, but they got the job done, and that was great. Until I saw CrossClip. Once I checked out CrossClip, I was blown away, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I said, let's do it. Let's work on a video together. This video is sponsored by CrossClip, so just giving you guys a heads up. But today I'm going to show you guys what CrossClip is and how it works. And by the time this video is over, you most likely are going to want to go ahead and use CrossClip yourself. So here we are on CrossClip's website. And they actually have a website at crossclip.com, and I'll have a link down in the description of this video. Or you can download the CrossClip app on Android or Apple. So you have two different options. If you want to make clips from your phone using CrossClip, download the app. If you want to do it from desktop, you can do it from desktop like we are today. On this homepage, there are two different options. The first one is you can either upload a clip directly from Twitch by pasting the link right here, or from YouTube for that matter, or you can upload a file from your computer. If you want to do the computer file, of course, you can tab over like we just did if you have your Twitch account open, and you can download and then you can upload from your computer, or you can just grab the link to the clip that you want right here, copy it, go back over here, and you can paste it into this box and hit get clip. And this is literally going to bring your clip into CrossClip directly from Twitch. And then you don't have to go through the process of downloading and then uploading and doing that whole thing. So this is already a massive time saver, because up until now, I have been downloading all of my clips to my computer, to a hard drive, and then storing them, and then bringing them in from there and editing them how I want to and things like that. But this is way easier, okay? So we brought the clip in, and you'll notice that there are a couple of different things that you see on the screen. Over here on the left hand side, we have the input, which is the original clip, and then on the right hand side we have the output, which is what the clip is going to look like. Now, the first thing you have to do is decide what format you want the clip in. If you want to do an Instagram formatted square, then you can click on that, and it's going to turn the output into a square here. If you would like to do, of course, TikTok or YouTube Shorts, that's the default. And then, of course, you can also do a regular landscape video if you wanted to create like a montage of of all your clips, put them together easily, but didn't necessarily want to change the aspect ratio. So today we're going to be working with the portrait mode for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, because this is the most popular one most people are going to end up using. Now, over here on the left-hand side on input, we've got our camera down here in the wrong place. And so all we have to do is drag our camera box up here. So my clip is playing. Apparently, if you pause it and you drag this around, it's not going to show you. But if it's playing, then it will show you live where your camera is being dragged. And so we're going to resize this, and just to make sure that I don't have any of my my like webcam border from Twitch on here, I'm gonna go down to edit options, and I'm just gonna turn the borders off. And so you can see a little bit of red up here at the top. This is part of my webcam border, so I know that I need to adjust this just a little bit. So we're gonna shrink it and then re-center, and there we go. So this is a perfect format for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, right? They've got it already set up. I can adjust this green box and drag it around if I want to highlight something on the left or the right, or a little bit over to one side or the other. But this is a pretty basic, you know, TikTok or YouTube Short format here. Now, what's really cool about this is instead of having to readjust this every single time, you can go up here to layout and you can actually save the layout either as a new layout, or once you've saved it, you can browse your layouts and they've got some suggestions for you here, or you can go to my layouts and you can select which one you want, and it'll tell you what you've named it and then what category it's for. So in this category, left middle is what I use. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to hit load layout, and it's got it already formatted for me. I already went in, set it up, and saved it. So the next time I come in here, I can just use that, and I don't even have to drag this stuff around. It's already set to go. You can also trim your clip if you want to cut off the beginning or the end. You can drag these around, and then it's only going to play what you have you've selected, right? So it's only going to play that little bit of the clip, and then it'll start over. So that's like you know, just a few seconds there. But we're going to go ahead and do the entire clip here. You can also pause it here. You can turn the audio on and off, basic, you know, editing stuff. But then over here on the right hand side, you've got a couple different options. For instance, you can blur the background. So this will export your video with a blurred background on the sides if you change the way the formatting is. On top of that, you can put the CrossClip watermark or outro on or off. Now this is all with CrossClip Pro, which I'm going to talk about here in just a minute. Down here beneath that, you can actually add other layers. So for instance, if there's something else on the screen that I want to highlight, I can click add layer, and it's going to give me another box. If this is playing here, it's going to give me another box of another area on the screen. Then I can select a different area on the screen and have that zoomed in, and it will put another box here. And if I want to edit the position of that box, I can turn on my output borders again, and then I can drag this box around just like I can resize and drag these boxes around. So very cool feature here. Makes editing and resizing and formatting like this super simple, and you don't need to use an extra editor. Now, on top of all of this, if I want to see what everything looks like without the borders, then I can just turn off both the borders, and it's going to show me the original clip, and then it will show me what my output looks like. I normally like to keep these borders on because that shows you, you know, what you're selecting and highlighting. And then I turn off the output borders once I have everything positioned where I want it, because there's really just no reason to have them on, because then you can't see the actual like edges of your video. So make sure you turn that off when you're, you know, double checking to make sure that the webcam border or whatever is not selected here. So we're gonna go ahead and delete this. We don't need that layer. We just need these two layers here. Once we've got this done, then all I have to do is hit compile. It's this simple, you guys. It's this simple. Hit compile. I can title it. We're gonna title this one "Can't Get Away from My Hatchet." All right, I play in New World. I use the hatchet in New World, and you can throw the hatchet. This clip is about me throwing a hatchet when a guy was trying to run away. That's, of course, our title then. Anyway, so our FPS, we can select either 30 or 60 frames per second, and then your video quality, you can either do 1080p or 720. And honestly, for clips, that's going to be more than enough, because most of the clips anyway are recorded at the highest at 1080p at 60 frames a second, so you don't need anything more than that. This is quick and easy from your Twitch streams, and it does it in the best possible way. So once we've got all this done, we're going to hit start compilation. And so now here we are, it is compiling our clip, and you'll notice a couple different options down here. If you go to the menu, you can edit the clip, you can open the clip in the editor, you can add it to a montage, which you also have a button for right here. You can even connect to your TikTok and upload the clip directly to your TikTok from here, which is really cool, because you don't even necessarily have to open it up on your phone. If you're doing this on your computer like I am, then I could literally just connect this here and upload the video directly to my TikTok without even having to worry about downloading and re-uploading and all that kind of stuff. So it makes it super easy. If you'd like to download, you can click this little cloud button right here, and we can download this into our clips section. I've got a place for TikTok clips somewhere in here. We are going to store this under our TikTok videos right here, and it's already got the title in there, so we hit save. And now we have saved our video. That simple, you guys. We can also click this little button right here and we can tweet it out directly. We can post it to Facebook, share it on Reddit, or we can copy the clip URL. So you've got multiple options there for sharing the clips that you create. And then in addition to that, if we want to, we can hit add to montage. And we can take this clip as well as other clips that we've created. If I click this little plus button, and I can pull in my other clips and I can add them to the montage, which will play the videos back to back, and it'll either fade between them, or we can do all these different transitions. And basically, once you have a compilation of good clips, you can make a compilation of 5-second or 10-second clips, put 6 of them together. Now you have a minute-long compilation of some of your best clips of, whatever game you're playing or whatever you're doing on stream, and it makes it, again, super simple and easy. So they've got everything you need, basically, to create TikTok videos and YouTube Shorts from your clips. It's basically just to reformat your Twitch clips to the right aspect ratio so that you can upload them to these different places, or upload it to a video editor after you get the clip resized and put any additional edits in there that you need to, right? So it makes it super simple and easy no matter how you choose to use it. Once we're all done, we can go back to the homepage of CrossClip and we can create another clip if we want to. Or something also I want to show you guys is if you click on your little profile picture right here, you can go down to My Clips and it will actually show you every clip that you've ever created. And so all your clips will be right here. You can select clips, you can re-download them or make a montage from here, anything you want to do. The last thing that I want to show you guys and talk about is the pricing. And basically they have 2 different options. CrossClip is free. You can use it for free, but you do have limited access to what they offer. So for instance, you can import videos, you can edit and customize. You have up to 100 megabytes upload that you can put on here, share on the mobile app, and of course montages up to 3 clips. And so you can create them for free here, but you lack a few features. And for $4.99, which is the pro version over here, that's what I was just using, you get everything, okay? Everything free, plus you remove the watermark, so there will be a watermark if you use the free one, but this will be taken away if you use the pro version. You also get to remove the outro video, which will show CrossClip's little logo pop up at the very end of your video, but this will be gone if you use the pro version as well. Export in 1080 at 60 frames a second, so if you want that quality and that resolution, then you're going to want pro as well. You can get up to 6 clip montages instead of just 3. You get additional layers, priority compile queue, and up to 250 megabyte uploads. And so clips are only 60 seconds, but if you have, for some reason, a really large clip that is close to 250 megabytes, plenty of upload there. And then you get early access to new features as they come out as well. So guys, I will tell you, monthly it's $4.99. If you go to the yearly plan, then it's only $49.99 a year. So you actually get a little bit of a savings there if you go with the year plan. And so 16% off if you go yearly. $50 a year to make your life super simple and easy is not bad at all. So there you guys have it. CrossClip, the best way and the easiest way to create clips for your TikTok videos, your YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. And those are kind of the primary places you're going to want to use this. It's not going to be for longer, edited videos, because, if you want to do voiceover work and all that kind of stuff, you can do that through the TikTok app. But if you're wanting to make a fully produced YouTube video, you're going to need some kind of video editor. But at the same time, for people wanting to do shorts and, for TikTok and things like that, this is perfect. This is great. If you're a gamer, a streamer of any kind, and you need that vertical format, this will allow you to pump out tons of clips. You could sit down and in 30 minutes, you could have tons and tons and tons of clips ready to go, and then just post a clip every day or a couple clips every day and just keep that content rolling, keep your growth up, and of course, get more exposure and discoverability, because TikTok and YouTube Shorts are blowing up right now and people are finding massive success using those avenues. And so CrossClip makes that easy, right? It makes it easy. It makes it simple. Guys, check it out. Link in the description. Like I said, thank you, CrossClip, for reaching out to me and wanting to work on this video. As soon as I saw the product, I was like, we've got to talk about it. I love it. Absolutely need it. for content creation. So guys, if you like this video and you found it helpful, hit that thumbs up button for me, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to know when videos like this go live. Of course, if you ever want to come hang out with me, twitch.tv/EagleGarrett. I'm streaming over there. We stream New World, the game that we were making a clip of. It's a fantastic MMO. You guys need to come check it out. But we stream that, we talk, we hang out, you can ask questions, anything like that. In addition to that, you can find me on our Discord at discord.gg/flock. We've got a big community over there. We would love to see you in there. And last but not least, we're on all the social media. Twitter is probably the best one to hit me up on because I tweet at people all the time. But you can find me on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook and all those places as well. With that all being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, rock on, peace out, God bless, and last but not least, for some reason the corrupted tincture looks like it should be a blight tincture for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know why. Hey, just let me by, guys. Just let me. Oh, no, 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 no! That bear is not cool.